Hey, we're here at Burger King. We're trying out the original chicken sandwich, I believe it's called. Honey mustard, please. This is the number 8. Meal.
A chicken sandwich.
Yep,
The original
chicken
sandwich.
It comes with a fountain drink, some fries, the original chicken sandwich, and sauces of your choice. So let's get into it. We have different sandwiches because we have different preferences. You can obviously hold stuff out.
I have no mayo.
So these are. Hold on, can I get a close up on it? So these are our sandwiches. So we have some lettuce, some mayo, some chicken, some rye bread to put it here. And we have our fries, honey mustard, and his, here you go.
Doesn't look bad.
Okay, we're getting into it.
What are your initial reactions?
It's very tasty. You can definitely taste the chicken.
That's all you have is chicken.
It was very strong, combined with chicken. Very distinct flavor, I'd say. But up here, they're putting.
These French fries are very good also.
These fries, let's try these out. Very, say not dry.
How do you like your mayonnaise with the lettuce?
It's good, combined, very good flavor. Something I'd have again, definitely. What do you think?
So would you suggest this to anyone?
If I come back, I'll have this again.
Would you suggest this to anybody?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Say goodbye.
So, I would give this, hold on, give it a 5 stars.
Mine is very good. I would give it a. I give it a 7.5.
Say bye-bye.
No.
Bye.
Bye.